Welcome to Emperor of Estates. Today we explore one of the most human-centered aspects of your CAM responsibilities, employment practices. From hiring right to handling emergencies with grace, you're about to discover the art and science of managing people, expectations, and community harmony. Scene 2. Best practices in personnel management. Let's begin with personnel management, a cornerstone of operational success. A smart CAM always keeps a well-organized system for hiring processes, storing employee and payroll records. When hiring, request Social Security or Green Card photo ID work authorization documents. Resume letters of recommendation. Any relevant licenses or permits, always verify the work eligibility of employees. And don't forget, understand your tax obligations both for the employee and the association. Scene 3. Independent contractor versus employee. Here's where many associations make mistakes. Do you know the difference between an employee and an independent contractor? It all comes down to control. If the association controls how and when work is done, it's likely an employee. If the worker controls their own schedule and method, it's an independent contractor. The IRS uses a 20-factor test to make that call. And if it's an employee, the association must handle Social Security tax, unemployment wages, federal income tax withholdings. Always classify correctly to stay compliant. Scene 4. Communication skills as a CAM. Next, let's talk communication, your most powerful daily tool. As a CAM, your words shape relationships. You must communicate effectively with the board, unit owners, vendors. Staff tips for communicating with the board. Speak in person or over the phone. Text can cause legal issues or misinterpretations. Never assume voting outcomes before they happen. Wait for official votes. 1. Keep the discussion professional. Avoid personal topics. Remember, today's tenant could be tomorrow's board member. Always treat every interaction with long-term respect. Scene 5. Customer service skills. Now let's sharpen your customer service skills. Because CAMs are community caretakers, you are the bridge between the board and the members. You must be calm, clear, and responsive, especially when things go wrong. Provide regular updates to both the board and unit owners. Ensure everyone knows how to contact you. Return calls and emails in a timely manner. Give clear notices before any disruptive work, like repaving or plumbing outages during disagreements. Be neutral. Listen attentively. Offer explanations, not sides. Respond to emergencies quickly. It builds trust. Scene 6. Customer service policies. Every CAM should implement. With board approval, set the following in stone. Set turnaround times for all communications. Build a user-friendly website for payments and notices. Create escalation procedures when issues can't be resolved at the first level. These policies make your work more efficient and your residents more confident in your leadership. Scene 7. Real-world example. Imagine you're managing a property and residents are upset about a noise issue. Some want stricter rules. Others don't want any change. As a KM, you must listen to both sides. Remain calm and neutral. Propose a fair solution for the board to vote on. Communicate any decisions with clarity and empathy. You're not just a manager. You're a community problem solver. Scene 8. Final recap. Let's review. Understand the difference between an employee and an independent contractor. Maintain proper hiring documentation. Communicate effectively with empathy and professionalism. Keep owners and board members well informed. Establish strong board-approved customer service procedures. Scene 9. Motivation for CAM students. You're not managing buildings. You're managing trust. With every phone call, every policy, every emergency, you prove your value. This is your moment to shine as a people-first professional. Let your excellence define the culture of your community. Scene 10. Final call to action. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Emperor of Estates for more insights into CAM excellence. Comment below with how you've handled tough personnel or customer service situations. We're here to learn and grow together. CAM training. Had CAM exam prep. Florida CAM. Employment practices. Had customer service. 4 cams had Emperor of Estates. Thank you for watching. Explore more greatness across our family of channels. Emperor University, Emperor Artificial Intelligence, AI, Emperor Science and Fiction, Sci-Fi, Emperor Nature, Emperor Aviation, Emperor Entertainment, Emperor Music,